Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to talk about order of operations. Once again, you follow the same order of operations that we've done for fractions and for whole numbers. So parentheses first, and then comes multiplication, division, left to right, and then adding and subtracting left to right. Okay, so let's do the first example here. So we have this, so 12.46 minus 2.7 times 1.7. So again, we're going to do the multiplication first. Okay, so that's going to be 27 minus 7 times 17, right? So this is going to be 270, and then we have 7 times 2, that's going to be 140, and then 49, and so this is going to give us 459, right? And so we're going to have 2 decimal places, right? So we're going to move it over 2 spots, and our decimal point is going to go there. So this is going to be 4.59. So now it becomes 12.46 minus 4.59. Well, let's do that. So this is going to be 12.46 minus 4.59. And so I line up the decimal places, the decimals points. And so now I'm just going to subtract. So this is going to be 12 minus 4 is 6. And then I can't subtract 5 from 4, so I'm going to borrow from the 6, so that's going to make that 5. This is going to be 14, and so again, this is going to be 9. And now I can't subtract 9 from 6, so I'm going to borrow again, so that makes this 8. The 6 becomes 16, and this becomes 7. And so the final answer is going to be 5.87. So that's what this equals. So the first one is going to be 5.87. Now, what about the second one? Now, the second one has parentheses, so we're going to do what's in parentheses first, even though we have a multiplication here. Parentheses trumps multiplication and division. So we do what's inside the parentheses first. So, again, we're just going to take 3.5 minus 2.7. And so 3 minus 2 is 1. But here I can't subtract 7 from 5, so I'm going to borrow from the 1, which makes this 0, and I get 15 minus 7, which is 8. Drop down the decimal, and so this is 0.8. So this is going to be 0.8. Now I'm going to do the multiplication. So this becomes 6.8 times 0.8. And so I'm going to treat it like it's 8 times 68, right? I'm going to ignore the decimal points. And so 6 times 8 is 48. So this is going to be 480. And then plus 64, which gives me 544. And so now I count the number of digits to the right of the decimals, and that's going to be 1 and 2. So now this is going to be 5.44. And so that's the answer, 5.44. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.